Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pay with the Costco app for gas. So the first thing that you need is that you do need to download the Costco app, which looks like this here. So it is the red and white app. I type it in here. It looks like this. So click onto the Costco app, go ahead and register for an account, and then connect your card to the Costco app. And then once you're connected, if you click on the account button on the bottom middle hand side, you should see a QR code that looks like that. So go ahead and tap to enlarge that QR code. And then with that QR code, you're going to see a scan here option. So with the scan here option, you basically just scan this QR code and you should hear a beep. Once you hear that beep, you'll be able to go ahead and use tap to pay for the gas. So you can either do tap to pay or enter your credit card here. And then you should hear a second beep, at which point you can actually go ahead and get gas. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pay with the Costco app for gas. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.